श्री श्री महाभट्टारिके
श्री श्री महाभट्टारिके श्री श्री महाभट्टारिके
सर्वानंदमय चक्र स्वामिनी
सर्वानंदमय चक्र स्वामिनी सर्वानंदमय चक्र स्वामिनी
परापर अतिरहस्य योगिनी
परापर अतिरहस्य योगिनी परापर अतिरहस्य योगिनी
त्रिपुरे
त्रिपुरे त्रिपुरे
त्रिपुरेसी
त्रिपुरेशी त्रिपुरेशी
त्रिपुर सुंदरी
त्रिपुर सुंदरी त्रिपुर सुंदरी
त्रिपुरवासिनी
त्रिपुरवासिनी त्रिपुरवासिनी
त्रिपुराश्री
त्रिपुराश्री त्रिपुराश्री
त्रिपुरमालिनी
त्रिपुरमालिनी त्रिपुरमालिनी
त्रिपुरासिद्धे
त्रिपुरासिद्धे त्रिपुरासिद्धे
त्रिपुराम्बा
त्रिपुराम्बा त्रिपुराम्बा
महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी
महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी
महामाहेश्वरी
महामाहेश्वरी महामाहेश्वरी
महामहाराज्ञी
महामहाराज्ञी महामहाराज्ञी
महामहाशक्ते
महामहाशक्ते महामहाशक्ते
महामहागुप्ते
महामहागुप्ते महामहागुप्ते
महामहाज्ञप्ते
महामहाज्ञप्ते महामहाज्ञप्ते
महामहानन्दे
महामहानन्दे महामहानन्दे
महामहास्कन्दे
महामहास्कन्दे महामहास्कन्दे
महामहाशये
महामहाशये महामहाशये
महामहाश्रीचक्रनगरसाम्राज्ञी
महामहाश्रीचक्रनगर साम्राज्ञी महामहाश्रीचक्रनगर साम्राज्ञी
नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः
नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः.
Now, at this point, Sarvanandamaya Chakra Swamini, everything I'm seeing that subtle Ananda. All the rasas are merging in this Ananda Swarupam. You are a Karanananda Vigrahe. Your existence itself is Ananda. How can this Jiva who came from you can have pain now? Now I know. I do have Ananda inside. Like this form of Sri Yantra square merged into Bindu. And you told, Bindu Tarpana Santushta Purujata Purambika. Secretly you told, but I never realized. My child, I'm not happy completely with this pujas, tarpanas, homas, japas. If you are happy, I'm happy. If you are happy, I'm happy because I'm a universal mother. Take it easy. Take it easy policy. Why you are running behind and getting pain? You have this greatest attachment. Then I will detach you from everything. Because I am before you. I am Parapara Atirahasya Yogini. I'm the secret of Para, invisible. I'm the secret of Apara, visible. You surrender to me. I'll make the secret known to you. both para, invisible and visible. That's when I think the Jiva says, Ma, all the while I was searching for you. And I was doing so much karmas. There's actually a story. A Brahmin was going with a money bag from Chowtry to Chowtry. And a thief was following. He wants to grab that money. Number of times he tried, he couldn't find the money bag. At one point, the thief comes to the Brahmin and says, Mahatma, you're great. I'm the senior most thief in this area. I never failed. Let me know, where did you hide this money bag? The Brahmin smiled. I hid it where you won't check it, under your pillow. You searched everything, not your pillow. You searched everything, not inside. That is the Atirahasya. Puttutayu nijamu, povutayu nijamu, puttutayu nijamu, povutayu nijamu, natanadanu nadi natakamu. This is Apararahasyam. What is the secret? Birth is a truth. Death is a truth. In between whatever you are experiencing, it's just a drama. How it would have been if I known this truth right from the beginning. Brahmamokkate, para Brahmamokkate. మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే, చండాలుడుండేది సరి భూమి ఒకటే, మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే. At this point, the Apara Rahasya is also revealed. Brahmana, Chandala, both are stepping on the same earth. There is no difference. Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. These are created Varnasrama Vidhaini for just discipline outside. Inside, everything is same. You have revealed that great secret to me, Amma. Thank you. The Jiva goes through a greatest experience where everything is crystal clear to him. Tripura. Pura. You are before all the three. Bhuta, Bhavishyat, Vartamana. We can understand you are in the Bhuta or Bhavishyat, Vartamana, all you are. But before the past also, I can't even imagine what is before the past. What is after future. If at all anything is there, that is also you, because there's nothing beyond you. Everything. Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Guna. All the gunas. But you are Gunatita. That is the secret. You are beyond the gunas, but you are in the gunas. That is possible for you only. Pura. Vagbhavakuta, Kamarajakuta, Shaktikuta. You are the Prana Shakti in my Trikutas. Stula, Sukshma, Karana Deha. I never understood that I had three forms, three dehas. I was only focusing on the Stula Rupa. Now I know you are in the Stula, Sukshma, physical body, subtle body, causal body. Now I know I need to focus more on the subtle body, Vamana Rupa, Sukshma Rupa, and do more japa, more thinking inside, so that the Sukshma Rupa grows bigger and bigger and bigger and becomes a Vishwarupa. And the Sthula Rupa compresses itself so that it doesn't bother me. Then I know what is Karana Rupa, what is the purpose of my life. And that is you. Tripureshi, because you are the creator of all the three. You are before the three. You are the Isha. You are the controller. Jnana, Jnatru, Jnaya Rupa, Dhyana, Dhyatru, Dheya Rupa, Mana, Matru, Meya Rupa. All the three. I was thinking, Amma, I was meditating on you. I was meditating on you. Now I realize there is no I at all. You are meditating on yourself. You are doing the puja to yourself through this body. Doesn't have even one single identity called I. You are the creator of everything. You are Isha. Then, if everything is you, who am I then? That's when you are coming in the form of Tripura Sundari. You are the one who has to enjoy my creation without analyzing everything in the creation. Manollasa I am. Sundara is not external. She is called Sundari because she creates joy inside you, not external. If you can experience the joy in everything in my creation, then you are answered that great question, who are you? I am the Sundari. My existence itself, I gave you life to enjoy. You made it mess by putting some conditions, by falling a prey to my illusion called mind. If you have ignored that mind, if you have focused on me completely, then you would have enjoyed the great life. Where I am, he's asking you, Tripura Vasini, because you feel that you are sitting close to mother or you are sitting in the lap of mother. Mother is hugging you and talking to you. Your journey is over. You know what? Tripura Vasini, I was existing in all the three kutas in your body. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. As Prana Shakti. That is my greatness. All the gunas I was creating. You thought that you are the owner of the gunas. You are the owner of your action. That's your problem. In fact, I was the one, like Krishna told in the Bhagavad Gita, I was the one who was playing. Unnecessarily you have taken the burden. Like the elephant taking the dust with his trunk and putting on its own head and enjoying, the jiva is unnecessarily taking the responsibility instead of enjoying. Tripura Shri, how many times you blamed me for your failure? Is it a failure really? Who asked you to think? Thinking is upstairs, experience downstairs. If you are left to me, you would have understood that everything that happened in your life is auspicious, nothing but auspicious, because I am Tripura Shri. Then you would not sing Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma Ammammadalli Baramma. Where is the Baramma? I'm always there. Why are you singing? She's asking you. And you are singing only on a Friday? You don't want me on any other day? I'm with you 24/7, 365 days till you leave the body as Tripura Shri. Who am I? Tripura Malini. Space. When time moves in the space, thought comes. Creation. Thought. Then action. Then result. Thought, action, result. This is Tripuras. And this is connected by a thread called space. And I'm having that garland. So, all your actions, I am bearing. You are not. Because this is not done by you. The result is also not experienced by you. Unnecessarily, under my influence of Maya, you have experienced the non-existing pain. What is existing is the pleasure.